Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today we'll explain how to edit and save Workspace. Let's begin. Let's start. The Workspace is prepared in advance like this, and you can switch between them by tabs. If you want to use Premiere Pro while learning, it is recommended to use the Learning Workspace. Editing Workspace when editing. Color Workspace when adjusting color. If you want to apply an effect, use the Effect Workspace. Audio Workspace if you want to adjust the audio. Graphic Workspace if you want to apply essential graphics. Let's use each separately. You can arrange each panel for your own convenience and save the arranged workspace. You can save the current workspace by selecting Workspace from Window in the menu bar and clicking Save Changes to this workspace. Even if you change the workspace appropriately like this, you can return to the saved workspace by selecting Workspace from Window of menu bar and clicking Reset to Saved Layout. You can save the current workspace with a name by selecting Workspace from Window on the menu bar and clicking Save as New Workspace. Enter an appropriate name and click the OK button to save the workspace. Your saved workspace will now appear on the far right of the Workspace tabs. To delete the newly created workspace, select Workspace from Window on the menu bar and click Edit Workspace. Select the workspace you want to delete, click Delete, and click the OK button to delete the workspace. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.